Number two, their mistakes. When you number one, everything is on your back. Every goddamn thing at Group 82 is on my back. I pay my employees every single week, salaried and ICs. That's on my back to hit payroll. We pay our taxes every pay period, every month and every quarter and every year. That's on me to make sure that we have that. We got to have cash flow to run the business and for us to spend and for us to live. That is on my back. Anybody talk crazy in the comments? That's on my back. Something misspelled in the video? That's on my back. And these are things that I'm not in charge of anymore because we have a team here at Group 82. But it's still on my back because I am number one. And because of that, I make a lot of mistakes, just like every number one. Anybody out there that's leading a team or leading a business or you have a leadership position at your job, you know you're going to make mistakes because we're not perfect. We ain't computers, and computers even fuck up too. And when you are number two, you get to see number one's mistakes. You get to see them take the risk. You get to see them put their hand on the stove and then it gets burnt, so you ain't got to do the exact same thing. So when you are sitting in that co-pilot seat, make sure you are taking notes from the stresses and the mistakes that the original pilot is making.